Good morning, children. Today in Maths, let's continue with our topic division. In the last class, we saw repeated subtraction. So what was repeated subtraction? Repeating a number from a given number again and again till we reach 0. So here we have divide 15 by 5. So we have to divide 15 by 5. We can do this in the repeated subtraction method. For that, first what we have to do? We have to write 15 minus 5. So what is the answer? 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. From this 10, again we have to subtract the given number. What is the given number here? 5. So 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. And now we have 5 minus 5 and the answer is 0. So now we have reached the answer 0. So we have to see how many times did we repeat the subtraction. Here we have repeated 1, 2, 3. 3 times. So what is the answer when we divide 15 by 5? It is 3. Now we can represent this repeated subtraction using a number line. So what is a number line? A number line is a line in which the numbers are represented with equal gaps. So here you can see a number line. Here it is there from 0 to 24. Now we have to divide 15 by 5. So we have to start from 15 and we have to move backwards because it is subtraction. We have to divide 15 by 5. So from 15 we have to subtract 5 numbers. So from 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We reach the number 10. So the first arrow you can draw till 10. Again from 10 you should subtract 5. So again we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We reached 5. So from 10 to 5 you can draw a semicircle and you can see the arrow. That means that it is going to the left side. From 5 again we have to subtract till we reach 0. So again 5 times backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here we reached 0. So how many times did we jump to reach 0? We jumped 1, 2, 3. So 3 times we jumped to reach 0. So what is the answer? 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. So we saw this in the repeated subtraction method and using a number line also we can do this repeated subtraction. Here we have 12 divided by 3. So using the repeated subtraction method, let's subtract it first. So 12 minus 3 is equal to 9 and again from this 9 we have to subtract. So 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Now we got the answer 6. So from 6 we have to subtract. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. And again we have 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So how many times did we repeat the subtraction? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times we repeated it. So what is the answer? 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Now let's see this in a number line. Here we have a number line from 0 to 20. So we have to start from the number 12 because we have number 12 divided by 3. And how many times should we move backwards? 3 numbers we have to jump and we need to reach 0 to find out the answer. So from 12 we have to start and we have to jump the number 3 because it is 12 divided by 3. So 1, 2, 3. We reach the number 9. So you can draw a semicircle from 12 to 9. Again from 9 you can move backwards 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. From 9 you can reach 6. From 6 again 3 numbers backwards. 1, 2, 3. You reach the number 3. So draw from 6 to 3. From 3 to 0. So 1, 2, 3. You reach the number 0. Now how many times did you jump? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times we jumped to reach the number 0. So that is the answer. How many times did we jump to reach the number 0? So 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Here in your text, page number 67, you have this sum. divide 20 by 4. So you can see numbers are given here, 0 till 20 is given. So we have to start from the number 20 because the question is 20 by 4. So we have to start from the number 20 and we need to move backwards 4 numbers. So starting from the number 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, we reach the number 16. So you can draw a semicircle and draw an arrow mark to show that it is going backwards. From 16 again we have to move 4 numbers backwards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, you reach the number 12. So you can draw a semicircle there. Again, from 12 starting, you have to move 4 numbers backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. You reach the number 8. From 8 again, you should count 1, 2, 3, 4. You reach the number 4. From 4 again, 4 numbers backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here you reach 0. So now we have to count how many times did we jump to reach the number 0. So now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we jumped 5 times to reach the number 0. So what is the answer? 20 by 4 is equal to 5. Here it is shown in the repeated subtraction also. 20 minus 4 is equal to 16. That is when you jump the first jump, you reached 16. Again 16 minus 4 is equal to 12. That is the second step. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. That is the third step. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. That is the fourth step. And 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. That is the fifth step. So we can say 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. Here in your text, there is a practice coach. Use number strip for division. So first one is 12 divided by 3. So you can take down your notebook, write the heading division using number strip, and you can write down the question 12 divided by 3. For that, first you have to draw a number line. Here is a number line from 0 to 30. You can draw a number line from 0 to 20. That will be enough because you have to calculate 12 divided by 3. So after drawing, what you should do? You have to draw it. So we have 12 divided by 3. So which number should we start from? We have to start from 12. So starting from 12, we have to move 3 numbers backwards. So we have to start from 12. 1, 2, 3. We reach the number 9. So from 12 to 9, you can draw a semicircle and put an arrow mark to show that it is counting. We are counting backwards. From 9, again we have to move 3 numbers back. So 1, 2, 3, we reach the number 6. So the second step you can draw like this. From 6, again 3 numbers back. 1, 2, 3, you reach the number 3. And from 3, we have to move again 3 numbers backwards. 1, 2, 3, and here we reach the number 0. So now we should calculate how many jumps we made. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the answer? 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. This is the way you have to do this problem. So you have to draw a number line, write a question, draw a number line and do it like this, and you have to write the answer. The next question is 16 divided by 4. So where should you start from? Write down the question 16 divided by 4 and draw a number line from 0 to 20. And we have to start from the number 16 because our question is 16 divided by 4. And how many times should we move back? We have to move 4 numbers backwards till we reach the number 0. So starting from the number 16, we have to move 4 numbers back. So from 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, we reach the number 12. So draw like this, and from 12, we have to count again 4 numbers backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, we reach number 8. From 8, again you have to count 4 number backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, you reach the number 4. From 8 to 4. Again 4 numbers back. 1, 2, 3, 4. You reach the number 0. So then count how many times did you jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the answer? 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. Now the third question, 20 divided by 5. So where should we start from? We should start from the number 20, and how many numbers should we move backwards? 5 numbers. So starting from 20, 5 numbers back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we reach the number 15. So from 20 to 15, you should draw a semicircle like this. Again from 15, move 5 numbers back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you reach the number 10. From 10 again, 5 numbers back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you reach the number 5. From 5 again, 0. So 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So you can draw a line to 0, semicircle to 0. Now count how many times did you jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the answer? 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. So this is how we have to draw on a number line. Next question is 18 divided by 6. So you can write down the question, draw a number line, and you can do as what was shown here. So start from 18 and move 6 numbers backwards till you reach the number 0. The next question we have 10 divided by 10. So for doing this, what you have to do? You have to start from the number 10, and how many numbers should you move back? You should move back 10 numbers. So start from the number 10 and count 10 numbers back. So what it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You reach the number 0. So from 10 to 0, you jump. And how many times did you jump? You jumped only 1 time. So what is the answer? 10 divided by 10 is equal to 1. So 10 divided by 10 is equal to 1. Next question we have 18 divided by 3. So for doing this, from which number you have to start? Write down the question, draw a number line from 0 to 20, and we have to start from the number 18, because what's our question? It is 18 divided by 3. So start from 18 and move 3 numbers backwards till you reach the number 0. So this is a homework for you. Hope you understood division using a number strip. So try doing this, and the homework which is given to you, complete it. So we'll be meeting in the next class. Till then, thank you.